So now you're ready to publish. And in order to publish, we need to be able to do two things. We need to make sure we have a working URL that's not an edit URL. And we also need to make sure our sharing settings are adjusted in Google Sites. So the first thing you're going to see me do is go to publish. It's going to ask me to come up with a name for my web address. So I'm going to have it as my ePortfolio, graduation year, last name, first initial. Again, my ePortfolio, 28 is my graduation year. Last name is student. First initial is S. And I'm going to hit publish. Once it's published, I need now to adjust the sharing settings. So we go up to the little silhouette with the plus sign, click on share with others. And I'm going to go down to general access. And you're going to see draft is restricted, which makes sense. I don't want anyone to see my draft. But the published site is restricted, so we need to adjust that. So if I click Wilton Public Schools, it's going to change the sharing on the URL. That URL which we just created by publishing is now going to allow anyone in the Wilton PS domain to see your Capstone ePortfolio. Once you change that, hit done, and you should be good to go. In order to share your URL, go to your homepage. So make sure you're on your homepage, and then go up to this chain link on the top of your page and click on it. And it's going to give you an active live URL that you could share with anyone in the Wilton domain that they could see your Capstone ePortfolio. This is the URL that you're going to submit to Schoology and or to a Google form when asked to.